Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can generate AI stickers on Picsart. So select AI tools here and scroll down until you find generate stickers with AI. Here you can type in your sticker ID. I'm just going to type in pink gradient skateboard. And I'm just going to select generate. I don't know what this is. Oh, that's just like if you don't know what to type, like your sticker idea. But I'm just going to type in, oh, actually I'll type in holographic pink skateboard. Select generate. And wait for a few seconds to minutes depending on your connection. And here there's model 1, there's model 2. I'll just do model 1 here and I'll select the style. There is illustration up to pattern. I'll just use hollow because I'm just going to delete that and then I'll select generate because it's already hollow, so I don't have to type in hollow again. I think you can choose 2 styles. I don't know, but ta-da, here it is. That's the sticker. That is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!